Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share some Revit stairs tricks I really wish I knew earlier. They would have saved me a lot of time and frustration. Let's get started. When you create stairs from level 1 to level 2 and connect them to the floor above, you might notice there's a gap between the stairs and the floor in 3D view. This happens because Revit ends the stair run with a riser by default. How to fix it? When creating stairs, go to New Stairs, Runs, and make sure to uncheck End with Riser. Then set the base and top levels again and draw the stairs. Now you'll see that the stairs connect seamlessly to the upper floor, no more gap. If you notice a gap between the stairs and the base floor, here's what to do. Select the stairs, click Edit, Stairs, select the stair run. Then, under Extend below Riser, input a negative value that matches your floor thickness. For example, if the floor is 150 mm thick, set it to -150. Click Finish, and now the base of the stairs will connect perfectly to the floor below. If you're trying to attach a wall to the underside of a stair, Revit doesn't allow it directly. The workaround. Switch to a side view like South View and draw a reference plane that matches the underside of the stairs. Now you can attach the wall to this reference plane. And it will follow the slope of the stairs perfectly. Want to make a solid, monolithic stair from top to bottom? Here's how. 1. Create the stairs as usual, then switch to a side view. 2. Measure the depth from the second tread from the top down to the base in this example. It's 1076 mm. 3. Select the stairs, click Edit Type, duplicate the stair type, and rename it. 4. Go into Run Type, duplicate, and rename again, this time based on the depth. 5. Set the structural depth to match the measured depth for this case. I set it to 1076 mm. 6. Hit OK, and OK again. Now you've got a clean, solid monolithic stair that looks like it was poured in one piece. And that's it. Those are the stairs tips and tricks I wish I knew before working in Revit. Hope this helps improve your workflow and saves you some headaches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.